Hello children, good morning to all of you. I hope all are staying safe at home. Okay, so in yesterday's class, we have finished the poem, The Rich Kid. Explanation was over. Once again, I'll summarize the poem in short. Okay, now listen carefully. So children, there was a little boy. He is very excited as he feels very rich on finding a quarter, that is 25 cents, in a payphone, and he means to show everyone that he is indeed rich. He got the money from the payphone, so he wants to show to everyone that he has become rich. He thinks of buying a baseball. First he was thinking to buy a baseball, but realizes that he does not have enough money for it. He considers a rag doll after that, but he is confused at the tough decision making. After that he is thinking to buy something else because he cannot afford that. So he decided to settle for a pizza. First, after that he was thinking to buy a pizza, but he is still short of money. But money was not enough to buy a pizza. After that, he was thinking to buy a bag of onion rings, and that was worth considering, but that did not work either. Having spent half of the day looking for something else that was affordable, the little boy admits he is getting bored. After that, he was getting bored because he is not able to buy anything he cannot afford, so he was getting bored. And he finally thinks he will get himself some chewing gum, that and then brightly tells us that it is surprising how long a quarter lasts in your hand when you know it that it is not yours to spend it. Okay, so that was the summary of the poem, children. So what you have understood this poem? This poem is about of value of money. We should value the money. And it also teaches us that money is ours only when we earn it. If we are not earning the money, we cannot say that it is our money. So we have to give the value of money. This was the poem, children. In this session, we will write the word meaning. Now I am going to write some word meaning on the board. Just write down in your classwork copy. And children, whatever the word meaning question answers I am giving on the website, so you go on the website and check all the notes. If you are not getting on the first page or second page, you check all the pages. Whatever the number of, see the down, there are written 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So many pages are there on the website. You go through all the pages, you will get the notes. Okay. So I am going to write the word meaning. The first word is quarter. See, the first word is quarter and the meaning is 25 cents. Second word is ragdoll. Ragdoll means a doll made of pieces of Third one, gum balls. Gum balls means round, brightly colored balls of chewing gum. So, children, there are 3 meanings in this lesson. You have to write only 3 word meanings. Okay? See, children, first word is quarter. Look at here. Quarter. Quarter. And the meaning is 25 cents. Okay? The second word is rag doll. R-A-G, rag, D-O-L-L, doll. Rag doll means a doll made of pieces of old cloth. That is rag doll. Clear? Third one is gum balls. G-U-M-B-A-L-L-S. Gum balls. Meaning is round, comma, brightly colored balls of chewing gum. So these 3 word meanings you will write in your classwork copy. And listen, children, when you will write neat and clean handwriting and try to use the pencil. Okay? So if any mistake will be there, you can erase and you can write it. So use pencil. So children, you have written all the word meanings. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, this will be given on the website also. You can write it from the website also. Okay? I have written that will easy to, it is clear to you all and it is easy to understand. That's why I have written. But it is available on the website also. You can see from the website also. Okay? And there are 3 meanings in this chapter. So in this class, in this session, we will do the exercises also of this lesson. So starting with the first one. Now I am going to show you the book. See, the first one is from the poem. Here are some things that can be bought with the money. Circle the items that are found in the poem. Okay? So what are the things which are found in the poem? Cycle? No. Cake? No. Pizza? Yes. So you make the circle on pizza. Chocolates? No. Next one is baseball. It is there in the poem. Then skateboard? No. Ragdoll? Yes. Make the circle on ragdoll. Onion rings? Yes. Make the circle of onion rings. Then donuts? No. Gumballs? Yes. Make the circle on gumballs. Tennis balls? No. So these things are there which are found in the poem. You make the circle with a pencil, and these words also I am going to write on the board. It is clear to you all. See children, page 35, exercise A. What are the things were there in the poem? That all the things I am writing on the board. Pizza, baseball, ragdoll, onion rings, and gumballs. So these things were there in the poem, which are found in the poem. So these things, these words, you make the circle with the pencil in your book. Okay? Let's move to the next exercise. Okay children, we have done this exercise. Exercise B, answer the following question. The all answers you will get on the school website. Okay? And once again I am telling you, if you are not able to find on the first page, just check all the pages, whatever the pages are there on the website. In the last you can zoom and you can see there 1, 2, 3, 4 like that pages are there. I'll show you like that. 1, 2, 3, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Many pages are there. You open all the pages and you will get the notes of English 2, class 4th. Okay? So, this question answers you will get on the website, and read between the lines also we will do. These two questions also you will get on the school website. Next page. This one children, we will not do that. Make it cross. Time to enjoy. And this also. Down. Okay? So this chapter is over now. Only one exercise is there in this, and that is of exercise A. Rest of the copy work are there that you will get on the school website. Okay? I hope it is clear to you all. Exercises, only one exercise is there in this chapter that you have to do. Word meanings, question answers, you will get on the school website. Check all the pages children. Okay? Now, this is, now our poem is end now. Lesson 5 is end now. Okay? So in the next session, I'll ask you some questions. So just learn and come. Okay? So children, this poem is end now. Explanation is over. Exercise is over. Word meaning, question answers, everything you will get on the school website. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you all.